everyone, welcome back to Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. I'm your craft host, Fam, coming to you today with our weekly sip and share. So this week I am sipping on the Twinings of London Pure Chamomile Herbal Tea. Okay, so it does say that it's 100%. It's made using 100% chamomile blossoms, and so it's that time of year where you're definitely reaching for on a regular basis, something warm, something soothing, comforting, relaxing. And so I definitely wanted to kind of stock the pantry with things that I could reach for on those occasions. And so that's what's in my unicorn mug today. It's my favorite mug. And can you believe my husband had the nerve to use this mug one day for his coffee? I'm like, put my mug down, please. I mean, I share life with you, not the unicorn mug, please. So I made this. It has a little bit of cream in it because I'm not a black coffee drinker. I'm a black tea. I'm not a black tea drinker. I'm a black orange pekoe tea drinker, but not black tea as in no sugar, no cream. So that's what's in there. And to be honest with you, let me just refresh my memory on what the taste is. All right, so it's very mild in flavor. It's soft. I will say that it does have a very soothing characteristic to it. I'm granted it's not it's not made to like immediately put you to sleep, but because it has no caffeine, it's naturally what do they call it? Naturally caffeine free. It won't keep you up at night. So this is something that you can sip while you're laying in bed or unwinding or winding down to prepare yourself for slumber. You do taste the chamomile flowers. I think that's what we would call them. But it's not overpowering. It's not. You know how sometimes you can smell lilac and it can be overpowering. It's not like that. It's a real soft and gentle taste. So if you're looking for something to drink at night, I definitely would recommend the Twinings Pure Chamomile Herbal Tea. So that's the sip portion of our sip and share for today. Moving on to the share portion of our sip and share, I am bringing to you these two cute little fall cards. Now these are made using standard white cardstock found at I think this is from Hobby Lobby, might be from Walmart. Anyways, but what I did was I stamped out this sentiment. Then I cut it out, fussy cutted it out. So as you can see, they're both a little bit different. And then I just used a Sharpie around the edges just to give it a little bit of contrast and, help it stand out. These leaves are actually felt leaves that I purchased. I want to say it's from Dollar General, but it could be from the Dollar Tree. I'm not 100% certain, but this is the package that they came in. The package is longer. It's double the size, but I have it folded in the back just to make it easier to fit into the storage container that I use for current projects. And so it comes with 20 leaves and 5 different colors. So you have orange, the wine color, gold, green, and brown. And then here you can see some of the images that I stamped out and just shoved them in there so I could have them for easy access for the rest of the card making. So I made these cards to give out to the parents for our upcoming homeschool meetup, Thanksgiving potluck that will take place later on this week. And I will give these in addition to some small little decorated votive candles to the parents for their families, to take home as little thank you gifts. And then, so moving right along, these, what I did was I used these doilies. I think I got these paper doilies in a pack from Dollar Tree. There was 3 different sizes in it. If it wasn't the Dollar Tree, then it was Walmart in their baking section. It definitely wasn't Hobby Lobby, because there's a little pricier. Anyways, so I did that, and then you have this cutout sentiment. This is backed with brown cardstock. This one is done in navy, and so as you can see, it makes for some really nice contrasting colors. You know, fall is known for natural colors. You know, the yellows and oranges and reds, blue and greens, but I really wanted it to kind of stand out. So, you know, I wanted to have two different variations of the card. So I went on ahead and used the navy. I thought that was a great contrast for this card. In well, the contrast between the white and the fall colors. So, and then I think I actually used half of a doily for this, and I used the other half on here. And then, of course, just a few sprinkles of sequins. There's green sequins on both of them. I was going to use orange, but then I opted against it. It just wasn't, it didn't give the same feel. And so, there we have it. And then I'll write a little note on the inside and throw them into a quick envelope that I'll make. And then, now, if you take a look here, these are actually little pieces of felt that came from the inside of a couple of the leaves that didn't die cut all the way through. So when I pulled them out, I thought to myself, I probably can use them somewhere else. And of course, I found a place to use them. So I probably will do one of these on camera, so if you want to stay tuned, the next video coming up will be me doing this, you know, just a quick process video on how to do these. And hopefully you'll be able to locate some similar supplies so that you can craft along with me. In the meantime, thanks for watching. I hope this video has encouraged and inspired you to put together some fall themed note cards and send them out to some friends and family, and just celebrate this season of Thanksgiving and season of change. And until we're back here again on YouTube, stay encouraged, blessed, creative, and crafty. Bye for now.